And to get it together. Hey. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting ready to go outside. I just want to live my best. VLOGMAS every 7 days, okay? So tonight I'm going to go run and order fast food for dinner. And then just take a cruise around the mall. See what there's to buy. I probably won't buy nothing, but just look at some stuff. Take some photos for my Instagram page. That's about it. Yeah, it's freezing outside. It is so cold outside, let me tell you. But I want to go outside, so let's get out the house for a little bit and then come back home. Yes, I'm gonna go ahead and buy them my hard lemonade. I know I really don't want to be making content going shopping and stuff, but I just wanted to get up out of the house. So I made it up in here in the store and excuse me. Get a buggy and start shopping. It's just the same old stuff in the store. Same things. So I finally found what I've been looking for here at the Dollar Tree. 20 pieces of glue sticks. I'm gonna go ahead and tackle the one messy drawer in my kitchen, like clean it out, because I have a lot of newspapers and stuff in this drawer. You know, stuff that I'm not using anyway, so I might as well get rid of it, right? Yeah. Hey, I just been in a mood all morning. I've been looking at expensive rent, but once I get to the East Coast, I'll figure it out. 'Cause I just want to come on camera and let y'all know that I have my days. I'm like, ooh. Okay. Yeah, so your girl have her days where I'm like, I ain't doing nothing. Last night I did clean up, so I don't have to worry about really cleaning. A lot of cleaning I got out the way. I washed my hair, so my hair is good and clean under this cap. Getting ready to go wash out some dishes from last night. I did not feel like doing any dishes after I cooked dinner last night, so I just left everything in the sink. I need something to set y'all up on. Hold on. So yeah, at this point I am just motivated to just pick up the camera and just vlog, although I don't have anything specifically to talk about. And ooh, that water is loud. Yeah, I don't really have nothing specifically to talk about. I was just like watching YouTube and dreading over like moving, like once I move to the East Coast. I just been basically focusing on that today, like my move to the East Coast. I was looking at some cities in the city where I'm gonna be possibly moving to in the East Coast, and I was just trying to get like a feel of like what the neighborhood will look like, try to familiarize myself with certain parts of the city and different inner cities and stuff like that. And then I had to pull away from the camera. When I first moved here to Utah, I was able to work 3 to 4 months straight without transferring my healthcare license. That's what made it so easy for me to move here to Utah, okay? But now that I'm moving to this place on the East Coast, I have to get my license transferred there. I need to get fingerprinted for one, so that's the most important step, is just getting fingerprinted. So I just wish I could just move there and be able to work for 4 or 5 months. It's easier that way, but then I gotta go catch the plane, go get, you know, fingerprinted in that state, come back home, prepare to move. It's just a whole process. I wish I could just go there and work for 4 or 5 months. So yeah, need to figure it out, because where I'm going, everything is far. It gets a little frustrating because I'm not going to be driving. I have bad vision, so I don't have my driver's license, and so I'm gonna have to depend a lot on public transportation, taking a taxi or a Uber and stuff like that. And a lot of times I'm gonna be walking, okay? And I don't recommend walking because some parts of that state, you know, there's no sidewalk. So it's just a whole mess. And then I feel like kind of overwhelmed, and I'm like, you know, I don't want to continue to live here in Utah. I don't plan on staying here in Utah forever, but I want to move. If I move to this place on the East Coast, I know that I'm gonna be happier there and satisfied, because I know that that's where I want to be. Like this apartment, I've been in this apartment leasing it for going on 9 years, but I'm ready for a new change. I'm just ready for a different scenery. I'm ready for something new. I want to see beaches. I'm used to beaches because where I come from, there's beaches. But when I moved here to Utah, Utah only has a lake. They might have a river, but there's no beaches here. So, you know, I just miss certain things. And then you cannot gamble here in Utah. But over there, I can gamble on the East Coast, like stuff like that. Like I just missed, you know, because I grew up. When I turned 21, I bought a lottery ticket or those scratch off, you know, gambling stuff. But you can't do that here. So there's just certain things that I miss from my old life, like from my old home, you know, like playing the lottery, going to casinos and things like that. I can't do that here in Utah, so I need to move. If I'm not happy here, I need to move. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I am not feeling Utah. Utah is a good place. It was a good, you know, stepping stone for me. It set a milestone in my life. It was easy to move here to Utah because I didn't have to transfer my healthcare license right away. I was able just to jump into work and also get my apartment fast and then transfer my healthcare license. That part was easy, but now that I want to move to the East Coast, okay, I got to get fingerprinted while I'm not even living over there and stuff like that. So I don't know. It's like, it's just a big, it's too much. Sometimes I look at the plane ticket prices and they are expensive, and I'm like, oh geez. Like when I'm planning to go to the East Coast, that needs to be my final plan, to go to the East Coast and not return to Utah. So I'm thinking in my mind, like, ooh, I gotta go back. I gotta go back to the East Coast and I gotta come back here to Utah. But in my heart, I just want to go leave Utah. And when I go to the East Coast to get my fingerprints done, I don't want to return back to Utah. So, you know, it gets a little annoying sometimes. It gets frustrating sometimes. So I'm just ready to get out of Utah. I'm just ready to get out of Utah. Like, I liked it here for 8 years. I'm not saying that I hate it here in Utah. It's a good place to move to, but it's just not for me. I want to go on a cruise. I want to go to the casino. I want to go to certain different, I want to go to certain stores like the Hello Kitty Cafe. I want to go to different restaurants. I just want to be able to travel to certain places and pay a different traveling price to get to that place because I'm closer to that place. Better. I believe that it's meant for me to move. The Lord has spoken unto my heart to move, but I'm not going to move and be living in no hotel. I mean, if I have to, I will, okay? But I just wish that I can just go to this state on the East Coast without transferring my license first. Because if I didn't have to transfer my license first to move to the East Coast where I'm going to work in the healthcare field, I would have already been there. But I'll pick y'all back up in a little while. I just thought I'd come up on here and rant a little bit, y'all. Y'all heard my rant. Y'all heard my Sunday rant. I'm just in the... Let me move to the East Coast. Just let things be easy. I want this process to be easy, okay? Because I'm tired, okay? I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Hey, people. I fixed up myself. I put on some eyeshadow. It probably don't look that perfect, but I feel good. And that's all that matter. I have on my cute black toppy top. I want to go outside. Head to the community center and stuff like that. But it's really super cold outside. I'm gonna tell y'all that. It's super cold, so I'm still in that phase where I'm kind of like, maybe I should just stay in the house because it's super cold. I had my coffee this morning. I had a soup for breakfast. And yeah, I need to find my other glasses. Hold on. So I think I'm gonna wear these glasses right here. So yeah, anywho, it's just been a slow, light, and easy morning. I did check the mail. The mail has not run yet. So yeah, I'm just taking it easy. Slow mornings, because I'm still in my slow living era. Not much is going on right now. It's up to me to create something to go on right now. And then later today, I'm gonna do some more apartment hunting on the East Coast. Let me get a grip of it first. Okay, we don't need that falling. Okay, so up in here, there's a nail that I put. Or did it fall? It probably fell, but I just kind of wanted to hang like this and be like a LED light at night, I'm thinking. So something like that. But for now, in the daytime, okay, it's up on my refrigerator. You know,